Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video we're going to show you how to turn off the red notification badges on your iPhone. So as you can see here on the applications, the Instagram and the Reddit, we have a red notification badge in the top right hand corner. If you're like me and don't like seeing these notifications, what you want to do is you want to head over to the iPhone settings. So let's swipe to the left and get over to the settings. So now we're in the iPhone settings. What you want to do is swipe down until you get to the application that you want to turn the red notification badges off on. So in our case, let's turn them off on Instagram. So let's tap into Instagram. And now we're in the Instagram settings. You want to click on notifications. Now in Instagram's notifications window, you can see here badges. As you can see, it's currently tabbed on green. So let's tab it off and make it go grey. Now we go quickly back to the home screen and swipe to the left to the Instagram application. And as you can see, the red notification badge has been removed. You can head back to the settings if you want the badges back on and you want to tab back on badges. So now we've tabbed them back on, let's head back over to the home screen and let's go and see the application. And as you can see, all the red notifications are back. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.